Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be learning how to upload our website on the internet with free domain, so do watch this video fully if you want no problem on uploading your website. So, here I have a folder named website, and here are 3 websites, but the first one I have uploaded it on the internet. So first let's see our website from index.html. And as you can see this is working properly, and it has no domain. It has only path from my computer desktop to index.html. And if you want to learn to make this website, click on the I button on top right corner. And if you go into Google and search for ProRose 000webhostapp.com, then it will directly take you to this website, as you can see. You can search from your computer as well. So this was a demo for you. Now let's start our tutorial. First of all, let me show you the website that I want to upload. That is the second website. Click on the index.html and here is our website, which has no domain as well, and it worked properly. And also if you want to learn to make this website, please check the I button on top right corner. So for now let's come up to a Google and search for 000webhost.com, or you have a link on description for 000webhost.com, just click it. If you have this page open, then click on the sign up button. Then next directly go to bottom and click on sign up with Google. Then choose your account. And you have this page. Click on Let's Create Some Magic button, then you will have some options, go through it, and when you reach this page, fill up the project name and give a password for your project for safety, then click on Submit. So then here we have 3 choice. Either you can start building website here if you don't have, or second one you can build site from the WordPress as well, and at last upload our own website. So today we will be choosing upload our own site, so select it. Then you will have this web host file manager page with different tools on navbar, then go to next tab. Then click on your website link. You can see a welcome page from webhost, but we want our own site to get link here, so go to web host file manager. So this public HTML is the place where our website is going to stay, but for now we have HT access. Now come to home page. Click on the upload file button on the navbar. Then click on the select file, then choose the folder where your site are. And select all file and click on open. And click on update, so it would take a while to upload your files. When you have uploaded your files on webhost, then just copy or select the files you uploaded. And then click on Move button on the navbar. Then click on Change Destination. Choose the public HTML. And click on Move. So as you can see, we have moved our files to public HTML. So just remove or delete HT access. So as you can see, we have our files on the public HTML. Let me show you from home page again. So next go to your website. Then click on refresh button, you should see your site. Or if you don't, just go to the link on the next tab like we did before, you must see your site on a new tab. So and let me show you a proof that this website is now on the internet. Go to search bar and search for ProRoseWeb 000webhostapp.com and press enter. You will see this website. So we have finished doing our setup, and we aren't finished yet. What if you want to add a new website or replace this website from other? Let me show you the website which I would like to replace this with. So okay, this is the website that if I want to replace maybe later, then how to do it? It is very simple. Just come to a home page or file manager of WebHost, then create a folder, that is the navbar as well, let's say travel, and click on create. Now double click to go inside this folder. And click on upload files on navbar again and click on select files. This time I will choose the third folder that is travel website and select all the files and click on update. So more files more, it will take time to upload, just wait. So we have uploaded our files. Now go to public HTML and remove all these files that we have of our previous website. And then come to new folder you created and select all and click on the move. Click on change destination and click on go back and choose public HTML again and click on move. So we have successfully added our files on public HTML. So now come to website and refresh your website. You should see your new site on your screen. And if you want to make this website, click on the I button on top right corner. And at last let's search for this website and see if it is on internet or not. So yes, here you can see my website. So thanks for watching guys, I hoped you like my video and learned something new today. So for respect and this video tutorial, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos every week. See you soon on next video, bye for today.